Congratulations on winning your special art day. Awesome, awesome job. We are going to do springtime art today, colorful springtime art. So I'm going to give you some choices. You can have an egg, a bunny, a flower, or a chick. And what we're going to do with those is we're going to put some tissue paper on top of it to make it very colorful. So once you decide which one you want, you're going to have it in front of you, and you and your partner are going to share the glue. So you'll have two paintbrushes. I only have one paintbrush because I don't have a shoulder partner. But if I had a shoulder partner, I had two paintbrushes. So we have to share this. But everybody will get their own bin of tissue paper. And you just dip your paintbrush in the glue. You put a little circle of glue on your image, and you put one tissue paper on, and you pat, pat, pat. You don't need any more glue. That's going to stick so good. And then you do it again. You put some glue on the image, and you put a piece of tissue paper on the glue. Pat, pat, pat. We only want one layer of tissue paper on our image. If we do too many layers, if I put another piece of tissue paper here, then I can't see the image anymore. So if you keep it with just one piece of tissue paper at a time, then you'll be able to see the image through the tissue paper. You don't need to put any more glue on top. You don't need to paint over these. Just put the glue on the image and then stick on the tissue paper. You can put the tissue paper on just the image like I did for the Easter egg. Or you can put the tissue paper on the whole thing. So it's however you want your project to look. You're going to put the glue on the image, and then you're going to stick on the tissue paper. Pat, pat, pat. And you're going to keep on repeating it until all your image is covered, or all the paper is covered, whichever one you prefer. You don't want to, here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to take your glue and paint the whole image because your glue will dry. So notice Miss Cunningham's doing a little circle at a time. And then I'm sticking one on, pat, pat, pat. Now I had some glue right there, so I can do that. Now, I got a little bit on the red, but that's okay. If they overlap a little bit, it's all right, but we don't want to layer them up too much because then your image won't show, remember? Pat, pat, pat. All right, friends, I hope you have fun.